harsh truth about marketing on Reddit is that if you want to actually succeed, you can't just log in and start spamming your brand everywhere. That's a 100% guarantee you'll get banned. Most marketers fail on Reddit because they believe you can just use it like any other social media channel. They think you can just make a salesy post about your brand and drive traffic and sales. But that's not true. The most successful companies on Reddit don't act like marketers at all. Instead, they engage as genuine humans and add value first without adding promotional links. In this video, I'll show you 3 steps to navigate Reddit the right way using social listening tools and generate results without getting downvoted into oblivion. Let's start with step 1. Find the right subreddits to join. Every day, thousands of new posts and subreddits pop up. You don't have to spend hours trying to guess which subreddit is the best. You need to filter out the noise and find the ones that are actually relevant to your brand and have the most engagement. Throwing posts to inactive subreddits is the fastest way to disappointment. Instead, you need to track specific industry keywords to find out exactly which subreddits are heating up right now. That's where social media listening tools come in. For this, we're going to use Mentionlytics. Once we're logged in, we'll head over to the Mention Trackers tab. This is where we choose the types of keywords we want to track. For example, our brand name, so we can see what people really think about us. Our competitors, to spot the specific weaknesses we can exploit, or broader industry terms, to find the exact questions our audience is asking right now. Within seconds, we'll see a full list of every mention across the web, including those keywords. Then, you can filter specifically by Reddit and view all the Reddit posts, comments, and the subreddits along with their followers. Finally, make sure to keep an eye on the subreddits that pop up most often for your keywords. Check their newest posts and their overall engagement levels to make sure you're dealing with an active community. These are the subreddits that you want to join and engage with. But before we do that, we need to nail the following step. Step 2, provide actual value. Take some time to follow the conversations that matter to your niche. Understand the tone and learn what kind of content the community values. Once you get the vibe, then you can finally join in naturally. Answer questions, offer real advice, and share your expertise without sounding salesy. And here's the thing. This is actually your chance to show what you know. You understand your industry better than most people in that subreddit ever will. That expertise you've built up, this is exactly where it becomes your biggest asset. You don't have to struggle to come up with what to say, just answer genuinely, and you'll naturally stand out. Follow this golden rule. If your comment doesn't make sense without your brand name attached to it, you are doing it wrong. You need to show up like an actual human being and focus purely on adding value to the discussion. If you skip this step and start promoting right away, the moderators of each subreddit will flag and delete your posts. Step 3, mine Reddit for content and business insights. Every question, complaint, and debate happening in your niche subreddits is a free focus group, and most brands completely ignore it. You can use Mentionlytics to filter Reddit mentions by keyword and start spotting patterns. What are people struggling with? What questions keep coming up? What do they wish existed? Then turn those insights into action. Write blog posts that answer exactly what they're searching for, refine your product messaging around their real language, or update your FAQs with the questions they're actually asking. This way you're building your strategy on what people genuinely want, not guessing. And there you have it, the blueprint to actually winning on Reddit without getting roasted. If you want a massive shortcut to tracking these hot trends and finding the exact subreddits where your audience is already hanging out, hit the link in the description to check out Mentionlytics. Drop a comment down below and let me know. Which of these 3 steps are you skipping right now? Catch you in the next one.